Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can vectorize your Midjourney images so that you can get a higher quality image or logo. Alright, let's begin. So we're going to use this tool, Vectorizer AI, in order to vectorize our AI generated images to make them a higher quality. Before we actually get to the vectors though, let's firstly go to our Midjourney account and create an image. So here we're gonna start out on Discord with Midjourney to generate a cute image logo for us to use. So let's start off with the usual Midjourney prompt, imagine, and then let's put in the prompts to make a cute logo. Make sure to make it cute, vibrant, but also in SVG format. We can also label it as vector. And would you look at that? It's such a cute AI generated image of a panda. So let's just go with this one, and then we can choose to upscale the image that we want to use next. Simply put, upscaling will make the image a bit bigger, but in a higher quality. So what we're going to do is simply save this upscaled image, and then we're going to use Vectorizer AI, which is the AI Vectorize tool which I talked about in the start of this video. So go to vectorizer.ai and simply drag our upscaled AI generated image here. Once you see Vectorizer AI go through the process fetchup, it's going to turn this image into a vector, which you can then take into Illustrator or Figma and continue editing with those applications. So if you look here, on the left-hand side is the original image. And if you really scroll in, you'll see that there's a lot of pixelation due to its quality. But if you look at the vectorized result, you'll see that it's a smooth, no pixelation image. It's very clean no matter how far you zoom in. As you can see, using this Vectorizer AI really does wonders in upscaling and creating extremely high resolution quality images. I mean, honestly, just look how amazing the result is. There is a huge difference in quality from the left-hand side and the image on the right. So once we're happy with our upscaled and vectorized AI generated image, let's go ahead and download it. Once you have your vectorized result, just click on download, and from here you can download this image into different file formats like SVG, EPS, PDF, DXF, and even a regular PNG. Simply click on download, and there you go. You have your really high resolution vectorized image. So that's really all there is to turning our awesome AI generated images into really high quality vectorized images to use. If you have any other questions regarding these tips or steps, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.